For our next problem, we need to do the chain rule. We're going to have the derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of the outside, we're going to have 2/3 times x squared minus 2x minus 1 to the negative 1/3 times the derivative of the inside, which is going to give us 2x minus 2. Now we want to find this derivative's value at 0, so I'm going to substitute in a 0, and it looks like we're going to have a negative 1 to the negative 1/3 left times the negative 2. 2/3 times that negative up here means 1 over, and then the 1/3 power means the cube root of negative 1 times the negative 2. And here we're going to have 2/3 times negative 1 times negative 2. So it looks like we're going to have a positive 4/3.